Welcome back to Baby to Child, the channel where we make parenting a little easier with honest reviews and expert advice. If you're a homeschooling parent or teacher, today's product might just become your new best friend in the classroom. We're talking about the hand2mind plastic rainbow fraction tower equivalency cubes, a hands-on math tool designed to help kids understand fractions, decimals, and percentages. So what exactly are these cubes? Well, this set includes 15 different cubes, each color-coded to represent various fraction values: whole, halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, eighths, tenths, and twelfths. The idea is simple. You interlock these cubes together to visually demonstrate fraction equivalencies. You've got fractions on one side, decimals on another, and percentages on the third, so it's an all-in-one tool for teaching math concepts. The fourth side? Blank. For those moments when you need a bit of space for your own notes. And yes, it comes with a convenient storage container, which is always a plus when it comes to keeping track of small classroom tools. I got my hands on these cubes, and let me tell you, they're not just for show. Setting them up was a breeze, nothing complicated here. Colors are vibrant and easy to differentiate, which is great for younger learners. The interlocking mechanism is smooth, making it easy for kids to snap the cubes together and apart. They really do make a tricky concept like fractions a lot more tangible. In real-world use, these cubes came through. I used them with my fourth grader, and we dove straight into comparing fractions. The visual element really helped. They could physically see how fractions like 1/2 and 1/4 stacked up next to one another, which made it click much faster than just writing it down on a worksheet. We also used them to show equivalent fractions, say how 1/2 equals 50%, and they were able to connect the dots immediately. But no product is perfect, right? The cubes are made of durable plastic, which is great for longevity, but the plastic itself feels a little light, almost to the point where it could be too flimsy for rough handling. While they do snap together easily, I can see how younger kids who aren't as gentle might get frustrated if the cubes don't stay aligned properly. It's also worth mentioning that the set only includes 15 cubes, so if you have a large class, you might need to purchase a few sets to really get full use out of them. Let's talk value for money. Price seems pretty fair for what you get. You're not just paying for a stack of cubes, you're getting a versatile math tool that covers multiple mathematical concepts. Is it going to break the bank? Not at all. But keep in mind that this isn't some high-tech gadget. It's a basic educational tool, and you get exactly what you pay for. So, if you're looking for something to help with fraction equivalency in a fun, hands-on way, this will absolutely do the job without feeling overpriced. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few other fraction manipulatives out there, but they tend to fall into two categories: cheaper plastic versions that are less durable, or more expensive sets with added features like digital components or advanced design. I'd say if you're working with younger kids, this set hits a sweet spot for price and effectiveness. For older students or advanced learning, you might want something a little more sophisticated, but for basic fraction education, these cubes are solid. The build quality is pretty good for the price point. While the plastic isn't the heaviest or most premium, it's durable enough for classroom and homeschool use. Cleaning is easy too, just wipe them down and they're good to go. Long-term reliability? I don't foresee any major issues unless the cubes are exposed to constant rough handling. I didn't have to deal with customer service, but I've read enough to know that hand2mind has a good reputation for standing behind their products, so I'm confident they would handle any issues promptly if they arose. Now, would I recommend these cubes? Yes, definitely, especially if you're homeschooling or teaching in a small group. They're simple, effective, and do a great job breaking down the sometimes intimidating world of fractions. They might not be the best fit for a high school math class, but for middle school and elementary students, they're a great resource. Before we wrap up, if you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss a review that could make your parenting or teaching a little easier. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you can find the link to grab these cubes in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your own experience if you've used them already. Good luck with the fractions. Hopefully they're a little less tricky now. Goodbye till next time, and as always, keep teaching with love here on Baby to Child.